I've been part of a team here at Lincoln Business School that has been researching the East Midlands region. We've carried out 3 projects, firstly looking at the large cities and then looking at the secondary centres as they were called, so largely the market towns of the region, and then looking at the more rural areas and looking for the opportunities for economic growth. Gary Bosworth, Reader in Enterprise and Rural Economies. What you found is it's all about the interconnections between the big city, the market town and the rural area. It's all about the mobility of people, of businesses, increased digital connectivity between these centres. So for town planners, for economic development policymakers, they need to understand that interconnectivity. They need to address it as a whole. The biggest impact we had through the project was the smaller towns picking up on the typology which was directly applicable in their areas. They could look at their town and say, what's our function? How does this town work? How does it compare to others in the local area? And how does it fit into this broader network with the larger cities and the rural areas? And that helped town planners, economic development practitioners, community development policymakers in those more local areas to really think about their town through a different lens, if you like, really take a different view on what their town is in the 21st century. From an academic perspective, I think one of the real legacies is we are really trying to grow the focus on rural research here at Lincoln. We've done a large project on opportunities for innovation and growth in Lincolnshire, and on the back of that we're now talking about setting up a rural evidence exchange, working with at least 2 other universities in England to try and fill a gap that's been left by the removal of organisations such as the Commission for Rural Communities. Also, we're not having the census anymore, so the rural evidence exchange we think will provide a real benefit for central government, who I think, fingers crossed, are going to help fund this project going forward.